Hello my dear friends, so welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna use the gold Paracord 550 and the black one. The credit for today's bracelet design goes to Androshipus and for modification to our friend Cetus 550. So make sure to check the description box down below for more further information. So as you can see, we joined our gold and the black together. But before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. The black will be our base color, so we're gonna create on top of this side of a buckle cow's hitches. So we're gonna secure the gold and the black, take the gold strand, pull it from the top into the buckle all the way, and we're gonna leave some slack here. Now we're gonna take our gold strand and pass it on top of the gold once more. This will be enough. Then we're gonna get back from the back through the buckle, and then from the top into this loop. So the gold one is the working end. Now we're gonna pass to the opposite side of a buckle and secure the black strand into it. So insert it from the top into the buckle, pull it all the way, then pinch it from the back and cross the black strand on top of the black strand, then from the back through, So as you can see, we created double cow's hitches on this side of a buckle. Now once more cow's hitches, but here we're gonna insert it from the top, then pinch it around to the inner side of bracelet core, and then from the back through the buckle, from here, from the top into the loop, through the middle. Now we're gonna singe it And as you can see, we have the core strands and two working ends into the middle or into the center of our bracelet. So when we created our bracelet core and the working ends, we're gonna start from here. We're gonna take our black strand, and we're gonna pass it under this gold and the black strand, and then we're gonna return it from the top into the middle between the gold and the black strand and through. Now we're gonna cinch this. From here we're gonna take our gold strand and we're gonna pass it under these two strands of a black. So under, and then from the top into the gap between black and the gold strand. Now we're gonna repeat with the black one. So pass it under the black and the gold, and then pull it through the middle between the gold and the black. Cinch it well. Now we're gonna proceed. The gold under the two black strands, around and from the top into the middle. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!